Rising, y'all. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Baby right here in front of me, because as soon as I thought I was about to film and have like at least a good half an hour, she woke up. I gotta like start cleaning. I don't have to, but I should start cleaning my house because it's starting to get to me at this point. I need to start being more productive so that like I'm more of on a routine for when the baby comes. This is gonna be a lot having a toddler and a newborn. Yeah, as you can see, I have fucking clothes in the background that at one point in time I had folded, and then my daughter went on the fucking couch and just went. So, oh, these are clean clothes. I don't just have a fucking stockpile behind me. But yeah, I gotta like put these clothes up, do a little laundry, do some dishes, all them things. So, yeah, I'll see you doing something next.
This one I grab you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are go, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are go, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take to another way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, they can ride the boat, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, they can ride the boat, I no feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. From my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are go, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are go, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet.
Hey y'all, it's later in the day. I took myself a nice shower, ended up cooking after I did all my fucking dishes and cleaned my sink. So I still have a little bit of dishes that I have to do, but I'm not really worried about that right now. But I cleaned all my counters, I cleaned down the stove and stuff like that. Right now I'm about to just vacuum and put my mats back down, and then I gotta worry about this fucking area over here, which is like my baker's table and stuff like that. Like I have an actual baker's table that my mama got me from Amazon for Christmas. And then I have a Sterlite 3-drawer container that has all like my cookie cutters, my boxes, my little cups that I have to actually fucking organize and like divide all my shit because I just like threw a bunch of just shit in there. So yeah, we're about to do that.
Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, it's only out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
Hey y'all, we're down on the floor because we're about to start hitting this fridge because the inside of it is fucking, I'm not gonna say disgusting, like this shit is filthy. It's just that like it's not fucking clean. Like I haven't cleaned my fridge in probably like a week, so we need to handle that. I need to clean the outside of it, the inside of it, and I got a couple of odds and ends from Walmart that I need to put up as well. Also, why did Walmart bamboozle the fuck out of me, my guy? Like, I got these containers, right? I don't know if I could read that, but I got these containers. Oh, yeah, like, I'm about to have, because I need somewhere to put, like, because I get this type of bacon. I don't eat pork, so I get this type of bacon, and I usually just cut them in half when I have to actually fry them. Not fry them, but, you know, like, sear them or whatever, cook them. I'm thinking, okay, cool, I need something for this and something for my strawberries so that I can have them in a container and not have this porous holes in it. Bitch, I was like, oh, I caught me a steal, $5.60 or $5.97. Nigga, these are plastic. I thought I bought glass. It is what it is, and at least they close like this, but yeah. Let's start on this fridge, child.
I always say